Okay? Now, the truth is this. When people say omenala, every of us bundo omenala. For the fact na Igbo onye Igbo, invariably Igbo onye omenala. Do you know why? I will explain what I mean.
Okay.
Iwepụta ilu na ilo, si anyanwụ na-acha. You've observed nature. Igbo onye omenala. Oh, mmiri na-ezo. What did you observe? Nature. Igbo onye omenala. Oh, anwụ na-etikwa. Ọnwa apụtago n'igwe. Nature. Igbo onye omenala. So omenala is not what you presume to be fetishism. In the sense that you see people na alụlụ aka. Gekwenti. Omenala is not what Nollywood projected it to be. Omenala is the totality of nature. I will need to explain bit by bit. For example, when we came to this plane from the astral plane, I follow also. When we saw this nzu, it is part of nature. I meet lieba. Ordinary naibia. This thing was dug out of the earth. Right? It was dug out of the earth, but it came out very pure. Something that was dug out from dates, but came out very pure. So what do we do with it? Before we commune with our ancestors, we swear affidavit with this. You wait and swear. You see? No anamonyo bie the ocha. Ejimo bi ocha bia. Na Unique Generation TV. Obuna mukulie buna ajive kambu no bibia naba metetena. Kandi Igbo sigina okuchelu muyi ka gebo ezio. He who says and swears is actually saying the truth. So when we take the nzu up, that's why adenye madu nzu naka. When I take the nzu up, aja na malonyo biya di ocha. That is why when I want to commune with my ancestors, you see me keeping my feet on the ground so that they will scan my biometrics and see my data. Who begat me? They've scanned me. Oh, this is the son of Onye de Kasibo, the son of Uchetuku, the son of Kwon, the son of Auji, the son of Aniono, the son of Ojiako. They will mention the hierarchy of my generation. Who was given birth by the daughter of Chokwe Mabeze, who is Isioma, Mwopako, Ezekwe. So, maternally and paternally, my ancestor will say, oh, this is our own talking. What is his request? Gocha offensive bluziane ofom bujelu chukwu okike akose the oldest name of chukwu akose fabule belem bujezile akose the energy ahead of all energy, the chukwu, the totality of all cheese, so that everything I have been declaring will be summoned to the supreme being. So omenala is observing nature. Example, when we say the word ritual, that is our problem. Ayada no Igbo. Ayada no Igbo. Ayada what Igbo. Ayada what Igbo. When I say I am a ritualist, what is ritual? The word ritual means that which you do at an appointed time, repeatedly.
Yes.
If you brush your teeth every morning, it's a ritual.
It's a ritual.
Eat a linear every morning. It's a ritual. So who are the ritualists?
Everybody now.
Ntetolo toto if na mona ge bu ritualist. Ntetolo toto bulunzu naka boko ndi ichiem. This is a ritual. The rite performed everyone. Do you get my point?
Yes.
Now, what do I gain by doing this? To tell those who have lived before me that I'm doing this. So, in the Bible, Exodus 20:13.
Yes. Adam, I did belong on earth.
So now there is a principle stipulated to us if you want to live long. Efficiency is 1 and 2.
Yes.
Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right.
Honor
Thy father and thy mother. For this is the first commandment
with
promise. Exodus 20. If you are not fobo, at the end of the day, immediately he came to verse 13. With a promise. So, if you want to live long, you must remember to honor thy father and thy mother. How do I honor my father and my mother? When I wake up in the morning, I chant. Honoring my father and my mother is not only my living parents. Are you getting my point? So, honor my father and my mother entails counting the genealogy of their existence. Who begot my mother? Who begot my mother's mother? Who begot my mother's mother's mother? That is my 4th to 5th to 7th till where I can remember. When I got to the place that I could no longer remember, do you know what I would say? Izuzugbe, onye akpolo. Those who I cannot recount, those that I have recounted, should recount those before them. Because posterity is linkage resonated in my deoxyribonucleic acid, my DNA. So when we chant on our ancestors, we are communing with those who have lived before us. Oh, do you know if I take away one person from your gene, from your lineage, you will not exist?
Yes.
True or false?
True.
If I take away one person from your DNA, from your lineage, you will not be here.
Yes.
Oh, you can just say soplon na because someone na will you basi na bedsheet. Asa all me put to wasa na so na bedsheet. E wala hypo su chapel. So just give credit to those people who transferred their energy to you.